Floral Wishes is a new card making kit from our friends at Hunkydory. Now they call this a designer Deco-Large, and I'll show you what that means. But first, let's take a peek at the ideas that come in this package. They're all florals. That's what Floral Wishes means. And you can see they've given us lots of ideas, both on the front of this insert and on the back side. So you can make just a whole variety of cards. Of course you can. Now let me show you what this large deco means. You're going to get 12 sheets like this. They're all going to be different. All of them are foiled. All of them are die cut. Now the idea is that you put this down on your card and then you use the second sheet to punch out these foiled pieces and foam tape them on top of the first design. You can see that you get the full image. You get, excuse me, this image goes like this, okay? There's the vase. And this image goes, and then the next largest one, then the third largest, and it goes down. Now you can use them all on one card, or you can use them separately. So whatever you like. Did you notice on this sheet, there's borders, there's sentiments, there's also these nice corner treatments. So lots of goodies. As a matter of fact, there are 282 foiled die cuts in this package. Such a good deal. We're going to back up for just a second, and then you also, with every single one, you're going to get a printed adorable scoreable sheet that has the images that were used on the artwork. So you can make those, extend your die cuts to make even more projects. So it just works really, really well. So this is one, same idea in all of them. So you've got the one sheet, all the greetings and so forth. You've got the sheet with all the pieces that you can layer on top. So whether you decide to put all of them on one, or maybe you use these two together, maybe these two together, maybe these just as embellishments, you can do that too. And you're going to have the adorable scoreable sheet, so that's two. I'm just going to go through these a little quickly, but I want you to see all the artwork because it's really a treasure. Here are the bouquets, just so pretty, and here is the adorable scoreable. Now, the adorable scoreable, we like to cut it out and put it on the front of a card. Isn't that lovely? That's so nice. The words are "with love" and just a little note to let you know I'm thinking of you. There's the die cut and the sheet. So we like to use maybe one piece for the front of your card and use the other piece maybe for the inside or the front of another card. It just makes them go farther, and that's just fun to do. Here we've got roses, one of my favorites, and there are the die cuts. And there is the adorable scoreable. It's got two corners. There we go. Now we are into dahlias. So lots of flowers, beautiful artwork. Don't you agree? And the adorable. Here we have happy hydrangeas. I love hydrangeas, yes. And there you go, all of them. So you can see there's really an abundance of the die cuts. There is the sheet. Tulips come up next, bright and sunny. There we go. And the adorable scoreable. And now we have beautiful bells is what this is called. So you can see perfect for wedding or anniversary. Good timing, don't you think? Oh, isn't that beautiful? Now you can use these with the die cuts, or you can use them on something else. You know, you can just do lots. Here we've got some beautiful tea roses. Gorgeous, gorgeous art. Really love what they did. And there's the adorable scoreable. And here we have, there we go. How pretty are those? I love all the tones. And there is the adorable. And then finally, we're going to end with poppies. And yes, they do pop out really easily, just like that. And there are the die cuts, and there is the adorable scoreable. So if you're as hooked as I am on the Floral Wishes by Hunkydory, you're going to love this set. We did order extra, so hopefully we have enough for everybody. Again, this is available now at paperwishes.com.